Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all love but probably don't get enough of: rest. And I'm not just talking about crashing on the couch after a long day. I mean true, restorative rest. Why is it so crucial for our bodies and minds? Let's get into it. First off, what even is proper rest? It's more than just sleep, though that's a huge part of it. Proper rest means giving your body and brain a complete break. This could be a good night's sleep, a quiet moment of meditation, or even just unplugging from your phone for an hour. In our non-stop, always-on culture, we often see rest as a luxury or even a sign of laziness. But the truth is, it's a fundamental biological need, just like eating or breathing. Without it, everything starts to fall apart. Think of your body like a high-performance car. You can have the best engine and the finest fuel, but if you never take it in for maintenance, it's going to break down. That's what rest is for your body. It's your essential maintenance schedule. While you sleep, your body is hard at work. It repairs muscles, consolidates memories, releases hormones that regulate growth and appetite, and clears out toxins from your brain. If you consistently skip this maintenance, you're driving your body straight towards a breakdown. This can manifest as a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to colds and infections. It can also increase your risk for serious long-term health issues. So, seeing rest as a core part of your healthcare routine is the first step to a healthier you. Now, let's talk about stress. We all feel it. Work deadlines, family responsibilities, the constant barrage of news. It's a lot. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This is your fight or flight response, and it's useful in short bursts. But when you're chronically stressed and not getting enough rest, these hormones stay elevated, keeping your body in a constant state of high alert. This is incredibly draining and damaging over time. Proper rest helps to lower cortisol levels and calm your nervous system. It's like hitting a reset button for your stress response, taking time to consciously rest, whether it's through deep breathing, a walk in nature, or just listening to calming music can dramatically reduce your feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. It gives you the mental clarity and emotional resilience to handle life's challenges without feeling constantly on edge. So, how do we integrate this into our daily lives for healthy living every day? It's about making rest a non-negotiable priority. Start by creating a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual to signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Maybe that's reading a book, taking a warm bath, or journaling. During the day, schedule short breaks. The Pomodoro technique is great for this. Work for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break to stretch, look out the window, or just close your eyes. And remember to disconnect, set boundaries with your devices, especially in the evening. The blue light from screens can mess with your sleep cycle, and the constant flow of information keeps your brain overstimulated. Ultimately, embracing rest isn't about doing less, it's about being able to do more and do it better. When you're well rested, you're more creative, more productive, more patient, and just plain happier. You're a better version of yourself. So, I challenge you this week to intentionally schedule some real rest into your day. Notice how it makes you feel. It might just be the most productive thing you do. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more balanced life. See you in the next one.